Sorry about that. We're going to actually add the batteries. Here are the batteries. What you guys want to do is you're going to need to put one right here and one right here. After when that's done, going to need to do that. And then let's go to the setup guide of the controller. You must be hooked up to Wi-Fi to do this process. This process will take about 2 minutes to 3 minutes. On your regular device, you do not need to do that. Oh, wrong controller. Wrong TV remote. Where's my remote? Well, let me use my dish remote. If you're using a dish remote, just press TV, power on. What you're gonna want to do is, here's my console. This is gonna show on your TV screen. Turn on your Xbox. Turn on your controller. It's giving me issues. Let's get it right here. Let's try it this way. I guess I had the batteries in the wrong direction. There we go. Now the light's flashing. It's gonna blink. It's also blinking on the console. Now you are paired. And your controller should work. There you go. If you have more options, go on Microsoft.com and they can help you out. Bye. Make sure you subscribe and comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.